episode for GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Ahade latest and hot news. Nkwa enamede bramo. Enuti so nyan subscribe to channel dia bomodi ase obe subscribe. The obe an say obe click the subscribe button. Na wa barely a notification. We understand new video be upload no. When the first person won sa ebe kan here sa video. Afi we na wa like video no. Give us a thumbs up. Nafi shema oforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memwa afi yenhwe eye ensemo abeto yepno so yenti eye sa report ya ababetudwa yenti eye sansemi
MPP woman lose you omo to baby. Why would you single one person says I nipa no ade ye asem? How? What crime has Kennedy Agyapong committed? Why? What is it? What crime has Kennedy Agyapong committed? Whether you like it or not, no matter how the circumstances you view Kennedy Agyapong's whatever, the point is that he is not the only person who should be blamed for what. Contract Akufo Addo. And I'm not ready to speak about those issues. But my issue is that issue will be true. Na mo MPP for na mo team no a. Samo bobi pao, samo ye denyo, mo de mo asan back Kennedy Agyapong so no. I swear to God. Me nya time. Na mo say je be form ase no e be te say fire and brimstone amu be dwane atoto wirem and some fool ne nkwase asem na mudie e wo mo party nim. All right, and some fool and na mudie mo sponsor some media house be say onye say adwuma na ekosi say for what? Are you okay? Mo ye normal na no mo ma nipa na ye adwuma na mo nhwem na onye adwuma no obi so otini be bia wo dwen hu no na mo be yi nsem bi because nipa ne nya asem bi penti no mo be fa me Kweku e de mi aba join him that stupid rogue useless campaign. My goodness, I'm a journalist above that kind of low class presentation. Hi, I'm a journalist with a lot of integrity and magnanimity. All right, come on. This kind of idiosyncrasy of your dirty politicking that ends nowhere except in the garbage, in the gutter. I'm above that. I take this opportunity to correct this erroneous impression and set the record straight. Yeah, I want to set some records straight. Now, wherever my brother Captain Kwadu's man, wherever you are, Kwajo, tune in and watch what I'm about to say. Yeah. Bebrebe ana munim no. Monfa ne picture amrana Ghana foni hu no. Very well. Yep. My attention has been drawn to a video in circulation about Captain Kwajo Smart making claims to suggest that Kweku Annan was not being paid during my days at Net2 TV. His claim, however, is coming on the heels of Captain Smart's recent ranting and attacks on Kennedy Agyapong. Asema me kan na ne se enipa bi yimi asutre ene ye de niam bi so abreme na mi kura de nim de eko. Asem ni na ne se ora Kwajo Smart oyemi nuan wo madam for no. Assemble Nansemi yeto abewie ya MPP with this apocalyptic debacle womo dwen womo hu party ni nipa baako ene ma MPP lose here. No, the factors that led MPP to this debacle one of them ene ye ba be ye ne hu adwuma anadwe womo national security coordinator, that guy. All right, but for whatever reason, I don't know. Me yem edwuma mtim baby. Kwajo Smart I not dwene say oni ora Kennedy Agyapong Japan a banter, and that banter is irreversible one. It's one of a banter that must be deepened with all sort of acrimony and all that I don't know, and I don't want to know. And I Kweku sit here and I say, hey, hello, I don't want to have any unnecessary invitation to anybody's banter. So therefore, let me stay my somewhere. Let me be, and let me be now. But Captain Kwajo Smart go out there on his show. Now who koka someone? Asama wo ka kire wiase say, "Ebro kika ni se mi na no." Asama obeka o me say ampa I ora Kweku Annan kra no oye adwuma on Net2 on kra na Kennedy ntua neka. So by the way, as I say wo ka sa asem we. Na sa wo bedi nkomo, wo asem bi obi na ka na asem o, say ya paremfu o, say ya contract o, say do mi Kweku minimu o. But then the circumstances under which my name should be adjoined to friend says smart delivery to make it look as though I am at one point even feeding him more information as to say Kennedy Agyapong ye nipa bone and therefore Kweku Annan koye adwuma kra won ni ho no kra wentua neka. A question remains so am beka sa na anye den. And why would he come on the network no ba be sa ade no. And Kweku, me have said it, and I'm fan from me can obedrim. I am one person. I don't joke with my integrity, my credibility, and my brand. I don't joke with my brand. It's who you mean me papa me mama whoever you are. That's what me brand. And now I'm integrity. I swear to God, no man, I ain't gonna take it easy with you, man. I'm gonna smoke your ass. Ghana for him. Esi wofia. My own kid brother. Mini anumni na yensia. Onu no the last born. Ghana for mu no. My own brother. Our last born. Your software friend Francisco Fiana. Ghana for who Ghana 40 years. It taking me more than 4 to 5 years to speak. A brother Ghana for dimatem. Ye kasetiame. I mini ane bomb chrono. Mini ane yese no. As some kind say, it is with time I would investigate to know whether this is true or not. Ebra mi hu dia mi hu wie no, no bi no odi dua and just saw me to say kwana nasem. Afim be come in na nasem wie no then is here. The rest no be all those so called whatever no mo ye dedi nya ne, wo ma shut your mouth. They are all quiet. My brother no da ho no. All right? This is my kid brother. Odimechi mienu. Manfano one chenu menu making. There are some people within the family, outside the family, who are not happy. Say Kweku Annan me yes sir. The India, right? Areas one bibia anya yase. Me say bibia anya yase. Enu sunti na mpeni ka say as bibi asem boninti any boninti no bia so woni din. Dia wonya ye no obi de be se wo konwa. You must resist it with all the, the fierce resistance or whatever it is to restore your name and your integrity. No, I hate things like that. Enti Captain Smart wanna send me a worker. Etia Kennedy Agyapong, go straight and say it. Don't bring me into it. Don't come and cast, aspersions and make it look as though me, I have come to speak to you about what? Salary. How? And tonight, I want to state some facts, and the facts must be allowed to remain so. 1, I have not had any discussions with Captain Smart about whether or not I was being paid or otherwise at Net2 TV. The main part is minini ni nkomo about aketuyasem ene nyoma. No, bibia say anyho. Number 2, I have no knowledge, idea, or any conspiracy ploy to that of his recent ranting on Kennedy Agyapong. Therefore, I state on authority, Captain Kwajo Smart lied and perpetuated falsehood, and have sent him a message to come out, retract that aspersions, and apologize. The American Korean nane say, menini ni nkomo bia wo salary ho say and I say no. Therefore, sa asem no obeka ya bebre mote because masubu na masuye me ya enti se me kamu ni kwese sa asem no obeka no odiatro is a lie. He lied. He knows say menini ni nkomo as to say na sebe bibia na me ye adwuma kan na me je kapra na me ji teku no eyantro. And I hate things like that. Sebi prediasa Ora Kennedy Agyapong eminia prekupe o eminia. He's my senior brother. And to kwane ba yo said obi adi akoda wo ye ne politics misumi ye medwuma. Why would you go and provoke something that of course long overdue are all at a sleeping bed. No Kwaku Annan. Why? What is the meaning of that? You see, the journalism in this country has been reduced to what? Gutter journalism. And sounds because about 80% of Ghanaians we believe in gullible news. Gullible news. That is what we embrace. And of course, about 70% of journalists, both on radio, newspaper, television, now born in Sunyadie. Absolutely. A bokeke, the minimum de yo na Ghana for no suye pe de denti. You see, it's so sad and so. I don't blame them. Why some journalists could go berserk, and by close of day, the media airspace is what? It's beginning to mold Frankenstein monsters. People have turned to become heroes and heroines. Listen, they have become heroes and heroines out of their garbage news they are throwing out there. Minus me, Kweku Annan. I'm proud of myself and I'm proud of the brand that I hold. And I cannot, will not, and may not allow any human being on this very earth, be what sort of journalist you are, forget about it. Don't men fast our roughness and something so. Please. Me see watch you. No, me see watch it. Senior editors are me. In journalism, they are all alive. Senior editors me say they are all alive. In the newspaper industry, in the radio industry, in the television industry, they are all alive. And I know at what point, if I'm swayed, I'm going off, they know what to do and what to tell me. I'm not above it. But one thing remains, Kweku, I don't waste time. I learn a lot every day. I had the only first TV station I'm the Net2 was not the first television station I'm the before I went underground and came back. And the journalists, if only be now, television, radio, some of them, I call them garbage because they believe in garbage in, garbage out. I'm minus me. I will not speak on a content without producing you a document. Minus me. I'll give you the document. Oh, yes. Minye journalists are making na police you won't get it. No. Because I have the time to learn, I have the time to study, and I have the time to research. Until I remain one journalist, me journalist me pay me journalist me you not get me in programs. My home is my base. I have whatever that it takes to entertain myself in my home. And I have many journalists, hundreds in their numbers, but hardly you see me walking around with them because of Nyemebise. All right, the media fraternity and the fourth estate of the realm. All right. Assembly na wunni assembly be ma marching and be ma wadwa kawanutum shut up na ma assembly ntra be ate na mo nyai paremfo bebrebe no me ubo me pa enye yi. I've always maintained one status quo that I speak my mind when I have my document ebinie na dahi national security report ne emu odekeke emu ode so sweet e de yi what is here me nya ya me nka ho asem. Yeah. Assembly and Kweku meka. And don't just say me the very perfect journalist. No, please, far from that. I know when I go, I know where I bend to my weakness, and I know where my challenges surfaces, right? And I take myself out and realign and reshape. Now, journalists are one part this year. What they say, and you see, abe so common say now TV stations, radio stations, all the design is journalists are loudly they your hey and not for without giving proper content. That's the reason why some people cannot be part of this very you can say show we because Wapenyoma sensation yoma without attaching documents to it. Wow. Learn, Ghanaians. Learn. Let's stop the garbage and gullible nyoma you're consuming. And when we consume this, by close of day, you are making people heroes and heroines without having nothing in your head. Adia chini say branebe can say bia afi wo to say yes say or say you cannot say me say that because you don't have the facts. And some people were spewing something there. A friend saying a minister designate now. Or yeah, then so come President Mahama Emano, appointment, friend saying MP for Minister for Gender, Minister for Minister for Gender. Moving say now mumu. Some journalists were making some falsehood. They said. And say no. The issue is simple. One, President Mahama Kenya. At the time of Okwe, Opeso swear the ministers in. But the news now say co-ministers designate. And no hontem. And to Mameno, time news ni bedroom wa so or ye fast no drone. No a better traffic him. And that's all about it. And you're fault. But because some journalists didn't take their time to get the real facts, they were making it, presenting it, and making it as though Mahamadu Bawumia 1 year. You see how? What to news not to igukwa? Who say no kwa? Because they don't take their time. They don't take their time. Na me wudi midin Kwaku frafra. MPP, woman lose you want to baby. Why would you single one person? Says I ni pano aden yediasem. How? What crime has Kennedy Agyapong committed? Why? What is it? What crime has Kennedy Agyapong committed? Whether you like it or not, no matter how the circumstances you view Kennedy Agyapong's whatever, the point is that he is not the only person who should be blamed for what? Contract Akufo Addo. And I'm not ready to speak about those issues. But my issue is that issue will be true. Na mu MPP for na mu team no a samo bobi pao samo ye denyo a mo de mo asam back in the Japan so no I swear to God me nya time na mo ke say je be form ase no e be te say fire and brimstone amu be dwane atoto wirem and some fu ne nkwase asam na mudie e wo mo party nim. All right, and some fu e na mudie a mo sponsor some media house be say onye say adwuma na ekosi say for what? Are you okay? Mo ye normal. No mo ma nipa na ye adwuma na mo nhwem na onye adwuma no obi so otini ba bia wo dwen hu no na mo be yi nsem bi because nipa ne nya asem bi penti no mo be fa me Kweku e de me aba join that stupid rogue useless campaign. My goodness, I'm a journalist above that kind of low class presentation. Hi, I'm a journalist with a lot of integrity and magnanimity. All right, come on. This kind of idiosyncrasy of your dirty politicking that ends nowhere except in the garbage, in the gutter. I'm above that. I've told Kwajosman to come and change that narrative because Oyeminia, but he knows. Me Kweku don't go men forward some be family. Look, ya no mama ya be kekansembi. Yesi mwache. Yesi mwache pa. Papa. So me kind of crash man. Journalists me can say 2 decades now. Journalists be no ubetimi do ho atoto me. I'm telling you for the fact. Journalists be ubetimi do ho atoto me. Don't come. Don't. Yan tro ni super untimi ntro. Yes, your presentation radio so untimi yen better than how I will do it. And TV as well. Me nye deden tietimo. Document ni guha. You are more comfortable to speak and speak with confidence. Not speaking with confidence yet, lack of what? Your facts. It remains so. My clear way.
Also, what do you mean? I'm making 800 billion. What's supposed to be in tracker? I brand here on them starting to pay. Kweku Annan. Name Janica. Where's the name Janica? It is up to Kennedy Agyapong. Said, Nayiri, oh, Danachi. Wakwaji contract 100 million Ghana cedis so by street light 1 year Ese Kennedy nya adwesa meyere we ye for 1 meja 2 fisika ne koma aban. Ese se Captain Smart. Etimi ti ase number 1. Ye your mind ye political party. Enti untimi nkote baby. Na wo ria aban niema. No, wrong. But no, any pantias when the African man is corrupt, he calls himself a businessman. And I will explain. Share Bible ni Quran mukura nyameje 10%. It is a way a contractor. Ne amount abaye juma. Now profit margin is 10%. I think it's enough. But so kwaje kwan no school dino na wo jisika na wan sia trouble wo ho ye be jisika. And I came here to sound this warning. Wa wo se we MPP minister, MP chief executive, we bema no ora afra wa opa menko. Mo ti kroma na mu dwa na Afenyo Markins, wo dwa wanum. Kennedy Agyapong $30 million contract, Professor Mills the time. Why Jumano, you will cost the money? Somebody should tell Kennedy Agyapong. Why your whole Bama Oklahoma? You think you are the only man? And me, I was waiting for the right time to deal with people at the right time. Mr. Ken said $30 million no contract, no, oh yeah. Kufuor time, Kennedy Agyapong, air conditions and necessary supply to ministries, departments, and agencies. No, he did not. And this man can have the effrontery to sit in this country. We a minister of state, no per contract to 101 farmer now, not the work what's on the TV and the radio. So no, I was so pound, poto. Bonsa we yamashisho now the American now sign contract now, man. Really? No. Me, Obian who come pecking as I'm telling you today. But some 100 million Ghana cedis street light contract in the one can check Kennedy Agyapong, Opa, Onye the Ope. That money he must account for it. On the year. And nobody is afraid of that man who he must get it straight. If you say, Papa, your house is a 3P. Say 3P kwaje abai 100 million Ghana. Nigeria kwaje 100 million. Mema kwaje 100 million. Efiaje 100 million. Peter je 100 million. Kennedy Agyapong kromo kwaye disika na me. Na to kromo haso wosika. Masa. Wosika. Really? Really? Auditor General's report now, a ball where you medino. The same Auditor General's report in a ball would say 100.2 million Ghana cedis. A shower street light no ye. And then Afenyo Markins can be doing blah 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 blah. Say orally illegal. We a bema. Wa ora befra wono menko. But you know, English a man from MP on one kasa di because misro asasene ye to bi ma me nkrata de ma return mafia. You think sir people I want to stand. People think we are fools in this country. No, I want to stand. People think we are fools in this country. I don't prefer to say Jimmy and yet see your man we Ghana for the yabobo badam nim jansa. Ubeso chame say efia TSC FFF sankafia ono yamano East Legon asase 1 acre so go to 50,000 in compare ha na MPP nkwadan ketenkete amu sabe mu jabo na kura mu hu moto pepa kura mu so ada mu kasa useless cocoons one so anu mo bie o ma no mo kasa. You were following such a corrupt administration and people don't want us to talk me but catch re NDC for an say me hwamudi na mo de monte kwakwa na mbete poke kote kwakwa ombe bo mo nsema ma me se o maina yetimu no bebia MPP says sa papa de fe na Akufo Addo ho won so mo bu ni tiri to from cluster na osre
no osre ahomasro de ahomasro osre
and you people think that and Akufo Addo almost say esese obi a wo enye obi a wo sika bia okrom ha na e corrupt. But someone should tell Kennedy Agyapong Yerene said, 100.2 million Ghana cedis, you know, she would account for that money. Tell me, William, how useless something is. Now, wow, pay Maya 3. May obi mpoba mamiu. Ken, I am telling you today. Ken, may obi mpoba mami. And a sabia bru sabia nyado. Yetete ma himfinti mindi kwase ya. Wuni ma me catch her net plane. Girls now was small, no useless women. You bring such a ladies to me, me a guy brutal. Minimum kuane boarding, I a tomo bastardi. And yes, I useless things now you sent them to me. No. Get it straight. One woman team. When you want to fight corruption, the system will fight you. And me, I am ready to fight the system. That is why I JB Flebi na no two ahene, no see ahene. Me we are rougher, me too.
Odogu.
We are rougher, me too. And it's about time a Ghana for you there to see a TSS. And yet MPP and then NDCO. Anya people na this you look say see your doom kania na fancy your doom ododo kania say MPP parliamentary candidate wo ho so no kania bedum kania no ni MPP kania no ni NDC. Meanwhile your friend say Afenyo Markins say aban ni nya da bi nya Afenyo Markins sam wo energy minister bi na okodo za kwa your friend say deben ya
I haven't crap
house then or say aban no problem bi ani ho na onye bema na aban ni face problem rubbish and useless.
Open that was three.
Rubbish and useless. Say at Kroma. Aban we aboka over $2 billion na egu achiri. Bibia ofri. Akufo Addo ene ne ken ofori Atta etimi a raise bonds nko anya bese bonds ne nko 13.3 billion 13.5 billion dollars 13.5 billion ken ofori Atta ni Akufo Addo etimi anti 2 billion ene kakra bi eda so granted 3 billion entimi ante 3 na that 13 no so enkotuaka enfie nwotwe an Akufo Addo bedi president nkroma when tua gas kada ofree now it was a we MPP ni fa Jimmy free me TV ni so 3 years when tua gas kada 3 years fuel na ne dikogum kutukutukutu dia wo so kane wo fie na ye free. Send some Mahama Nimyan Sachen and Adwa, Kennedy Sumu says, I'm no Casay. I'm telling you today.
What's it?
Missing yes, Mahama Nimyan Sachen and Adwa, Kennedy Sumu. And Mahama said that, no, I'm not interested in saying, where are you saying, we'll keep the lights on. This is Nyansania, me Tuabamano. And I am proud of myself. I voted for John Dramani Mahama. Me to Abama Pebedi president. When I vote against you, you are going to opposition. Next time we share me utokrum baby who say menina ye call won kasa ye kanea. Mam sama ka champe da Ghana for be who I am. Na me te banchwa na me di makokora na me te hodi na me hwemo na me sere.
No, Osa, or Sissy,
you guys don't know me.
Oh, that's right.
Mafia, Akufo Addo oko petrol a yedigu aeroplane wenja 1 gallon. Gallon wenja bi gallon. Aviation fuel no be ni koto.
That gallon dey always you say gallon
say gallon. Akufo Addo wenja 1 gallon.
Gallon dey na can you say.
That be gallon.
You say.
Wenja bi Nana wenja 1 gallon. I told you. Rollins eja bosome miensa. Kufo eja bosome miensa. Mahama Nana do bosome nsia fuel. Akufo Addo okono. Ojayen 3 hours. Enrubo ebi say 5 hours. Granted. Hold on, meba. Fuel ojayen no. I came here to tell you. Senyesa Mahama ni nyansa chen Akufo Addo a. Anka fuel eni Ghana keye nya binto. Ye Kenyan sasema wadu say a political party. Who ye people ni Germany? Nonsense. Time na ye bu ye voter regia catch abo. Ye nam srem a ye bu ye krobi o don't know ye force na rugu o say na rugu. Eboa
okoye de o.
O say
okoye de.
Me koye campaign na me kufo.
E na ye de.
NPPT
E na ye de.
Bo mu bu ye no.
O ye de bo.
Na bag bo machi.
Kasa. Okoye de.
Bag bo machi.
Okoye de.
Yeah. One so muna ye be a bag no na say. How did these things get into your bag?
What is that thing?
You are nonsense. Nonsense. Where are people need why? Huh? Where are people need why? Me say Bisa Akufo Addo, I saved his life twice. Otia say Rebecca kura nim. Then also they been kada. Listen. Enye sa ene ye bu man. Nyabutre. Enye sa ne ye bu man. Se say na Rollins jama Akufo anka Akufo betime bu man. Really? Se say ena Mills Kufo su jama Mills a ka Mills betime atena. Se say ena your friend say Mahama jama na na do ya anka obetime. Because nyansa ye di bu man every before ya buy wo mu ni bi. And I would break it down for you. So more is nyansa di bi anka ya ma Kennedy Agyapong 102 million Ghana cedi street light contract ni enjano. Do you know why? Kennedy Agyapong had the effrontery and otchere Anas. No ya Anas hu adwuma. Kennedy Agyapong now yeah after that gbesi wayo me ehun adwuma it is a waje contract no execute ya which mean ka enchire no onne ne yere mewa what mean nya ne hwe papa wait me nya kukuduro be ka che ne dampare wo so te ho CDS te ho NIB se me na me koka galamsey asema nka NIB a che me 5 times. Kennedy Agyapong say he was called said he was offered a bribe of $800 million.
Yeah.
Ghana security in Penifam. You guys sat down and watched this thing. Say I offered a bribe of $800 million and nobody did anything. A country like Ghana, poor nation. I hear Sikaya Kwine, a school dying, I nsuo. Kwabrane say your friend say Omeji $800 million. Don't step it down. Damn parent me ancheno. NIB ntimi ancheno. Shraj anka ho he. Dai Yoko anka ho he. Your friend say check my star. Check my star. Me ame wafa.
Sensi
kandapa. Ntimi anche Kennedy Agyapong. What kind of a country are we building? Look for that video and play for me. And you guys think that we are joking. $800 million. Kennedy Agyapong say a joke. Say ombeji $800 million. Na ontnase men kobiemu. Yenya nipa bi a odwen e wo kroba. Mana amfre no. But let me tell you, I am not Ahmed Swale. So when you make catch it, fantini bi hu hu cha igbeni na santini bi hu hu cha nsremuni me nya Ahmed Swale obi nka check Kennedy Agyapong ente she wana e wo ho kan won fi one blow say po ka bete poke so wuni ma me catch up me I am saving a country. I am not interested in any political party. I don't give a damn to MPP. I don't give a damn to the NDC. $800 million. So we are doing Kennedy Agyapong station. Think. Also what do you mean? I'm making $800 million. Also in tracker. Abrante on me starting to Kweku Annan. Ne Ntuaneka. When's the name Ntuaneka? Look for that video for me. $800 million. But video, mommy. Bo.
Oh, I'm saying, mommy, $500 million. Let me step down. For me, padu do approach me. Maybe see delegates any Ghana who don't. I will never do it.
Time FM.
The money they offered was $800 million. If he doesn't know, he should ask Mr. Ofori.
Who offered that money?
It is
No. You see, Ghana for Jim Brafie and this thing want to become a president. Do you know how much money I was offered? We have a catch us over 150. Kennedy Agyapong, you don't know. Woko America now treat taxi. Taxi driver ben e wa America. Owo edan 150. Oh Mississippi. Na from house of Bediatuo slow Canada ba mbi. Who is afraid? Abrade Nyankopon. Peter Onim, no are smart girls. Hey Ken, really? Me? Me obi problem me obi Safia. Corruption na wo krom ha. The enti amaye ntimi fighting Ghana and Central for. Omaye say me JB Efiatago Onia TV TV3 Joy One TV stations need radio stations media houses e wo Ghana yen yama ntimi fighting corruption. I'm telling you today. Because the media is corrupt. The media is corrupt to the core. Centronia oye kese wabo sakora TV so ni radio so etimi ko chief of staff office Sammy yere ka say na ka fitamu a chief of staff din ko asem obetumi aka who was Centronia penny wo krom ha senior journalist na ye ko hu $1 million will be them or se ne bra wu ye na ye born sa sabe aburu sabe nya do asante hima kura wu ye otumfo nya $1 million in sa body. No, come to think of it. Sabe aburu sabe nya do enya ba ni na me de be kasa asam ye acha me mfancha me sabe aburu sabe nya do asante hima kura wu ye asante nya sa body $1 million. Now when you're senior journalist not to TV so say nebra wu ye na ye born sa $1 million. Okay, Ghana for me catch them on ne me metime de afia eka metime ade JB ka metime ade Abraham ka Peter ka 3P garlic metime ade ne ka ba se me wi Ghana sika de ekwadwo menya eno de menya. If you don't know, I am telling you eno de ekwadwo menya. We say we the minister, we the MP, we say ora frawa wonko we ye bema aya menko. Oh simple.
Yo, waiting for winning and someone about better. Yep, no so make out say so when you subscribe, yeah. But more than say, over subscribe to channel. Now, feel well, like the video, give us a thumbs up. Now, feel share my offer so now when you be here now, who and someone else so Ghana memoha. Also, bet me otchere wadwin afire somewhere in who comment box in mu. Mobati minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click click on the bell to turn on the notification.